Hello. Um, Hold up, making sure everything's ready.
Food sucks!
There's only one.
Whoopsie. So the Family Guy. Um. Okay. We're gonna be working this problem right here. This one's way too easy. Just a few print statements and then easy. These are harder, but we'll get there. There we go. This one we're gonna be doing okay. We're gonna be using this file right here. Let me pull that up on my other monitor. You can see here we're gonna be using this one right here. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we're using Java. And so we have to create everything from scratch for the programming UIL, of course. This video is gonna be for like me, pretty much, to help me remember what I'm doing, to make sure I understand it, in case I start forgetting. Anyway, this is also for other people that want to start doing UIL programming, but need to, or they don't know how to do it. We will learn through it together. I did a bit of this myself, so I hope I can get it first try. Hopefully. Anyway, let's begin. So sorry if the music's loud. I don't like working in silence, so. Firstly, we're going to be importing. So, yeah. What am I thinking? Okay. We need to, this is Java, so we need to import stuff first. We need to import other classes, other methods. So, the first thing we're going to import is utilities. We're just going to import them all. Okay. That asterisk symbol just means it's going to import every class of this class. It's going to get all from the superclass. I don't know. Anyway, so we did that. Now we need an importing class that we also import to read the files, which is IO. We read all the files as well. Okay. Now let's start by making our main, or not, well, the class, or not the class. Well, yeah, our program. So just public, name it. I think. Yes. Yeah, whatever. We'll see what happens if it goes wrong. Anyway, that's the name of the program, right? Tester's the name. Or you know what? Let's name it to Alan. How about that? In respect to Alan and his Fahrenheit, whatever. Now let's create the main class. You need to remember this one, so. Pretty easy. Public static void main, obviously. Then we use string. Arguments. No, not string. And that's your public, that's your main. You have to be careful when you create stuff in here, so you can confuse yourself anyway. Oh, now, how do we read a file, right? Well, there's the file class within the IL superclass, right? I think these are superclasses. I'm not sure. I might have to double check and correct myself later on. Anyway, we have to use these classes, like the file class, right? File class doesn't really help. Well, it does help us, but not in this moment right now. We need to use something else besides the file class, which is the file reader class. We can also use the if I can remember the name, I can always find it right here. Oh, the buffered class, yeah, the buffered reader class. That's a good one as well. Anyway, right now we're gonna use fire class, fire reader class. We're gonna name it read. Now we have to read a. Wait, I'm right? Hold up. Yes. File reader. Yes. Okay. Here we're gonna use this. Right click, copy the path, and just paste it here. You don't want all this right here. Just go down to downloads. Should be good. Reason why is that if you just have it down to allen.dat, it could work, but not really. What I'm trying to say, it will run the program, but it'll give you the alternative error, which I'll get to in a bit. Oh yeah, hold up, I forgot. That's why. That's what I forgot to do. Oh my god, what am I doing? We need these right here. I don't know why my thing isn't working. Maybe I did something wrong. Okay, now let's put this back here. Nextly we have to oh. Alright, I'm back. I got food, so if I can see my other monitor. Oh yeah, I figured out what was wrong. I forgot the class. Let's make sure file reader works now. Usually, but you know what? Let's just try this again, okay? Let me just copy down the path though. I don't want to lose this path. Alright. Here we are, okay? So we're here. Yeah, now we have to try. We have to use the try method. Oops, sorry. Oh my god. This is so embarrassing, dude. Okay. Let's make the main class real quick. There we go. That's what I was hoping right there. I don't know why it wasn't working that one there. Now we use a file reader. I gotta be quick because I gotta go sleep soon. Yeah. Now we just create the file reader here. Right here we just shit. Let me just fix my thing real quick. There you go. Oh my god. What a mess. Sorry. Oh yeah, okay, now we have this. Wow. Oh. Now, we're gonna go through each bit of this right here. So, read dot. We have to use the scanner class here, so that's why we imported the utility class. Has next line. Wait. Yeah. Okay. We're not reading a string, we're reading integers actually, so we use this one. Now we can quickly finish it real quick. So I don't know if that was spelled right, don't care, don't mind. Okay. Now we're reading each one now. Now note, if I can pull it up on my there you go, code adjust, sorry. Close that, I don't want you anymore. Crap. I don't have the formula on me, so I get it from the web. Alright. Note, this is the formula for Kelvin. And if we look at the, oh my god, where is it now? If we look over here, it's asking in Kelvin, so we have to change that to, into Kelvin. So we're going to be creating a separate class in a second, but let's finish this real quick. Now, if it has a next integer, we're going to assign this next integer to Fa for Fahrenheit, you know. Read dot next int. There we go. Let's get down. Let's finish this thing real quick. How it's supposed to turn out. Wait, no. Oh shit. Oh my god. Okay. Fa plus. How does it go? Degrees. Fahrenheit is equal to Kelvin. Yeah. So it's going to do that for each one. Now, yes, okay. Now let's leave this method, right? The main method. Let's make a new method called which is going to be returning K. Static. We want to be able to use it for the other one as well. This one's going to take a parameter called, well, integer f. Doesn't matter what it's called. Okay? Now we're going to use this. We're just going to do this right now. That is all we need right now. We don't need this anymore. That is pretty much it for this right here. That's literally it. Now we go here, K, fa. That is pretty much this right here. And that should be it. Let me just check this. Catch, args, util. Wait. No. This is for scanner. Wait, is it? Hold up. Damn. Undefined. Oh yeah, we're using the wrong one. Okay. Now, let's get the scanner to use these methods. Now that I realize. So scanner. The 6 parameters. The one we're going to be scanning is read, right? So this is scanning this file right here. Pretty much, you know what I mean, right? Scanner. Yeah. Anyway, it's just going to be called X. We can't use read because it's not scanner class. Can't use read because that should be it. Yeah, there you go. That is not the answer. That is not the answer. Hold up. Wait a minute. Oh. Cause this will return a 0, so we can't have that. And that should work now perfectly. Yes. Yes, it did. But here's an issue. What's this? Let me see how the people want it as the. I didn't delete mine, right? What the hell? They format it. Well, I can do that real quick. If I remember how to format, of course. Okay, I believe it was this. D? Or no, I think it's a money sign, maybe. No? And then, we'll figure it out. Point 2. Or is it no? Point 2. Shit, wait. They had the answer, so let's just see. They use a format system, so I guess. 0.2f, of course. I'm about to cry. I'm about to cry. Okay. 0.2. Okay. I only put D here. I would have put S, but I saw like D for a split second, and so I'm like, why not? I know F is for flat, or not flat. I mean float, which is same as a double, but it's different, as in byte size and how it works as well. I think, if I remember correctly, I don't know. Anyway, so after we choose these, now we have to format them. First object is file. And the next one is K file. And that should be it. Okay. It's not good, no. No. Oh, maybe I messed up here. Coven. I mean, that works. 2. Did I do that? I did. Oh, maybe I have to change it real quick. No, not that one. This one. Let's create a new double called Calvin. Oh my god, what now? What now? Okay. File read. Maybe I'm using format wrong. I'm not. Well, I mean, like, I don't know how to use format real quick. So. Maybe I'm using something wrong. I figured it out. Yep, I remember. Wait, do I? Maybe I do. I don't know. I have to close it, maybe. Please be it. Please be it. Alright. Well, maybe I'm not finding the file. Maybe that's why. Is that it? Well, you guys get to watch me as I fail, so that's awesome. We don't need all this. We do need to do this. Right. You son of a gun. I hate you. I do not know what that is. Kill me, bro. It has to be the format, right? No. Wait a minute. Nope. I am tripping. Kelvin. Let's save this run too quick. No, something's wrong now. Oh, not that. Oh, wait. One of these days, I'm just gonna. Okay. Chat. I might need to come back real quick. I don't know what was wrong with it. I lucky just closed it and reopened it and it started working again. I don't know. Garbage program, I guess. Or application. I don't know. Whatever. Let's try formatting again. One more time. Alright, now let's see. It was D. Let me just look over here, cause. Now we go over here, formatted to 0.2. Tell me decimal places afterwards. It should round up. The format, the float, I mean, Jesus Christ. Kelvin. Now we leave the brackets. Now, first one is Fa, the second one is K, Fa. And this should work, I swear to God. Wait. Did it? And we create a new line. This is, since we can't really use ln, we have to use ln, or slash n. And then, here. Let me clear this terminal. And I'll go fuck. Hey, big bro, you did not give us that. It's not a part of the deal. What is this? What is this? No. Okay, I guess we use this one. Because that's what the judges have for some reason. Because the judges be weird like that. Okay, now I gotta put each one down. And it's bugged again. Alright, I am recording, right? Oh, thank God. Okay. If this works. Yes. Alright, let's see. Let's go to the judge. What is this? The same one? Okay, yes. Oh my God, I don't care. Anyway. This is it, right? The answers? Oh my God. Oh. Bloody hell. I did it. Yo, hit that like button and subscribe, chat. 30-minute video. Just for a 5-minute program, to be honest. Bloody hell. Well, this was a tutorial and a reminder for me on how to read a program or read a file. It was fun and annoying. On the next video, we're going to be doing the second problem, if I maybe probably do. This one. Bianca. What the hell? Weird. I swear to God, my thing was broken this whole time. I'm about to crash out. Yeah, I think we can do this. You know, this is a freaking Pythagorean theorem, man. Is it easy? Yeah, is it easy? 3, 4, 5, yeah. We can do this. This is so easy. I'm making mine right now. We're on to the second. So we have to format this again. So we will make a video tomorrow. I'll try again. Hopefully I'll retain my information from today and yesterday. Hope you have a good day. Goodbye.